Welcome back to Road Trip versus.
I just knocked you out.
So today we build boats.
This will be fun.
Let's go.
We need to talk about the fact that you guys voted for what was our team?
Team camaraderie and
What was
us.
our team? You guys voted 64% versus 36% for Team Camaraderie. So as a result, whatever team Brooklyn is on, because he was the captain of the No Stoppers, will get a forfeit in today's challenge.
Can't decide.
Let's do the spinny wheelie thingy. Yay! So now we pick team captains. Well, we
Yes,
don't.
we do.
The wheel does. Let's
Exactly.
go.
Fearless Kid, that's Jack.
Oh, well done,
Jack.
Yes, Jack.
Second captain is.
Boy!
That's me. Rock, paper, scissors for who gets the extra member.
Oh, wait.
Jack's first team member is
Oh yeah.
Kellogg, which is my team. Well done, Mike.
Well done, Mike.
I just know what's going to happen now.
What's that?
I just know that we're going to be together again.
again.
1,000,000%. And we're...
Wait, who am I?
There you are. You're Los Angeles.
Am I Los
Right, we need to change the team names. Team 11.
Team 11. That's ironic, because we got kicked out of Team 10. What do you want, Jack? What do you want our team name to be? How about the Scout Clan?
Scout Clan.
Yo.
Scout Clan.
Scout
Scout Clan.
Scout Clan.
Scout
Clan.
Scout Clan! We're also known as Team Titanic.
Scout Clan. Scout.
You
You're
are
not
not
in
in that team.
Team 11. Let's
Yeah.
do it.
Right.
Yay.
We have to build them within 5 minutes. So obviously it's not going to work, but it will be great footage and they're probably going to lose again.
No. Listen. This is my theory. You guys got more weight because there's more of you.
You've got...
So because Team No Stoppers lost last time, Team 11 now, thanks, have to have what?
A TV.
Forfeit. Okay.
Like a
Alright, so
little monitor.
don't tell us what the forfeit is, just turn up with it.
Alright.
Yeah? Because Team No Stoppers lost last time,
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
Team
both
Can't,
of us.
and Team Can't, you were captain.
You were
You
cap.
told me what to do. Team Camaraderie won, thanks
sure
to you
did.
guys.
And Mikey and his leadership.
Yeah, thanks guys.
We now get a punishment, which will be decided by the captain of the other team, which is Jack. He's crying.
I'm
He's
not
so
crying.
happy he won.
After I hit my head off that chair, something's wrong with my eye. I'm sorry, guys.
It's a budget of £100 per team.
Built a boat before.
I was in the Scouts.
So we're all bickering now, but we're going to go buy stuff and then we'll see you at the lake.
My eyes are
Bendy
stinging.
thumb.
Go.
Right.
I was a scout back in the day, so I should be really good at building homemade rafts. I'm not. Let's get building. Come on. Aisle 9. Sorry, can you help me? I'm looking for plywood and 2x4s.
Let's see if we can find something that'll float.
Hello.
Really angry, wasn't he? Did you see how mad he was?
I reckon wood is a good shape.
How much are doors these days anyway?
Cheers, mate. Get a door.
We're gonna get the door and then like too much expanding foam.
Does wood float?
Really hope so. They are what I think they are, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely 4.
What's the point of even getting them if you're not gonna get 4?
Honestly, there's probably people watching right now going, oh, he's such an idiot. But I'm actually praying everyone at home is going, wow, kids like Bob the Builder, but better.
They're definitely not saying that.
4, bang them along all the sides, seal it on, tie it all together.
What can go wrong?
Yeah, we thought because the weather was so nice, we'd go onto a lake and build a nice homemade ship. Enjoy it. Thank you. We hope.
Thank you.
The side checkout is closed. I don't know if you can scan any of this through. We might have to forfeit. What's over there?
It's check out.
Oh,
I think you'll be fine.
I think we'll be fine too.
Let's go.
We're making homemade wraps because of the weather, and I feel as though we've got everything we need to win.
For like a college project?
Yeah, for college project, that's it, yeah.
Do you have Instagram? If you let us know, we'll put it here.
No, don't do that. A random person's Instagram is going to get put here. Congratulations if it's you. 54?
Yeah.
Oi, look how much more we've got than the other team. They are absolutely shagged. There's no way they're going to do it. We're going to kill them. We're actually going to kill them. We won't actually kill them. We're just going to laugh as they die. Sure you don't have an Instagram?
Yeah.
Sure.
That's how you do that.
My tail's very slow.
We've had an absolute shocker. Literally just went to pay, and then the till refreshed, and it went from £54.58 to £84.08. Price success. Look at that. So much better.
So much easier.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Alright.
See you later.
Bye.
They've got forfeit because Brooke was the loser in the last round, as per loser Brooklyn. So we decided to get them a TV to stick on their raft. Lol, they're gonna sink and swim, am I right? But yeah, this was quite cheap, £89. 8916.
Mum's age, innit?
And we have 3 available in our stock. Let's go! Thanks for my Sony Bravia 4K Alba. Let's go. My yeast! Do some kick-ups. Thank you. So drop it. Oh.
Guys, quick disclaimer, under no circumstance try this at home or in any lake near you because it's not good.
We do this because we're trained professionals. Look at this. Some buttercups for good luck. There's your buttercup.
Thank you.
There's your buttercup.
That's a daisy.
I got a buttercup for all 3 of us. And we're gonna win. Roadies, smell the truth.
Okay, it's a GoPro on.
Let's see if it works. We're gonna see if it floats first. Let's see if it floats. Yeah! Yes, Mikey! Oh. Yeah, like 3 seconds. Oh, he's lost the GoPro. Oh, yes! We found it! Yeah! We got you back! 4 minutes, 26 seconds, we were looking for that. Oh, this is winning! Oh, I'm winning! Out of 3, that's all sick! Out of 3! Yeah! Jackie Word! Real Titanic! Oh! 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 You're home! Oh!
Okay. Nice and gently. In we go.
Just yeet it to me. Not hard though, because I can't move that. Oh wait, the middle.
That's alright, if we were only lifting it light, start placing it down, I reckon.
Oh yeah, sturdy as hell.
Let's get your TV.
Oh yeah. You can't let the TV get wet, that's your one rule.
Actually, yeah. No, wait,
Yeah, that's fine, you get on.
Oh,
Weight's a bit.
The TV's getting wet!
because it will tip. Just like go straight back on your back. 3, 2, 1.
There it is, guys!
We're fine though! We're fine!
We won! We won!
2, 3, go!
Wait, that could have been an ankle breaker then.
2, 1.
Get the TV out, guys! I can't see Mikey!
Okay, thumbnail sorted.
Mikey's been a trooper. Just for that. We're gonna put a poll on our Instagram, RoadTrip TV, vote for which team you think won.
Team 11.
And then leave in the comments below.
Is that your name?
Yeah, leave in the comments
There you
below.
go.
Team Titanic, isn't that right, Jack? Hey?
Yeah, or Scalp.
Like and subscribe, man.
And in the comments below, write what you want us to do next time on Road Trip Versus and what you want the punishment to be.
And should fire be involved?
No.
Who knows?
Probably not.
No.
Anyway, guys, we'll see you next time. See you on the flip side.
Bye.
To say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.